What if I told you that your first puff was actually a trap set by your own friends? Most people don't start smoking because they want to. They start because of social guilt. 3 friends smoking will always force the 4th one to join, just so they don't feel like they are failing their parents alone. It's a calculated move to make their own guilt disappear. Take this real story. 3 girls on a hostel roof convincing a newcomer to just try it once. They told her it's cool and normal nowadays. She took that one puff, and her entire life trajectory shifted. But why did her brain let it happen? It's because of a psychological phenomenon called normative social influence, the terrifying fear of being rejected by the group. What exactly happens inside? Deep inside your midbrain, there is a tiny reward center called the VTA. Think of it as your brain's happiness button. Usually, this button only turns on when you achieve something big, like winning a race or scoring high marks. But nicotine hacks this button, forcing it to turn on without you doing any hard work. How does it trick you? When nicotine hits the VTA, it triggers a massive dopamine surge. Dopamine is the chemical that makes you feel like a world winner. Every puff tells your brain, you are a king, you have conquered the world. This is why people smoke more when they're stressed in real life. They are chasing that fake victory to escape their real problems. But here is the dangerous impact. While your brain feels happy, your body is in panic. Nicotine causes vasoconstriction, which means it literally chokes your blood vessels and spikes your blood pressure instantly. It releases adrenaline, the fight or flight hormone. Your body thinks it's in a life or death street fight, but you're just sitting there, slowly destroying your heart. Why can't you stop after just one? It's a lock and key trap. Your brain has special locks called nicotine receptors. Nicotine is the master key that fits perfectly. But here's the scary part. Every time you use that key, your brain panics and grows 10 more locks. Now, your natural happiness doesn't fit anymore. You need a constant supply of outside keys just to feel like a normal human being. Imagine 2 people inside your head. GABA is the peacekeeper who keeps you calm, and glutamate is the party animal who keeps you excited. Smoking literally kidnaps the peacekeeper and hands the mic to the party animal. You feel a fake high, but the moment the smoke clears, the party ends in a crash. You're left feeling anxious and irritated because your brain's internal police is still tied up. Think you're too smart to be fooled? Look at this 1951 experiment. Scientists showed people 2 lines. One was clearly longer, but because the whole group lied and called the short line long, 75% of people ignored their own eyes and agreed with the lie just to fit in. This is exactly how smart students start smoking. Your eyes know it's poison, but your brain screams, just agree with the group so they don't kick you out. Why does smoking feel normal? It's called social normalization. If you see one person wearing a shirt with only one sleeve, you'd call them crazy. But if you see 100 people doing it, you'll call it fashion and do it too. Movies and influencers use this trick to make smoking look like a badge of honor. They are tricking your brain into thinking that a deadly habit is just a cool trend. You smoke because you want to look mature and rebellious. You want to show your parents you make your own rules. But look at the irony. You are trying to be a rebel by doing exactly what a chemical tells you to do. Real rebellion is having the guts to say no when everyone else is following the herd. Don't be a slave to a 10-cent stick and call it freedom. Why do kids from strict families fall into the trap? It's the comparison burden. When parents show you a topper's photo in the newspaper and say, be like them, your brain feels crushed. You start seeking a mature escape to prove you are more than just a grade. Smoking becomes your secret way of saying, I own my life, even if it's destroying you. Between the ages of 11 and 22, you are in a ghost zone. Kids call you uncle or auntie, so you can't play with them. Adults tell you, children shouldn't speak, so you can't sit with them. You feel isolated and invisible. To bridge this gap, you pick up a cigarette, the ultimate adult prop, just to feel like you finally belong somewhere. There's a worrying new trend. Research shows young girls are falling into this trap faster than boys today. Why? Because the pressure to look independent and rebellious is being sold to them through social media influencers. They think they are breaking barriers, but they are actually just being targeted by a new type of biological marketing. You want a real reward? Go do 8 sprints of 100 meters or eat lots of fresh fruits and tell your parents with pride. That's a real high because your brain actually earned it. Why chase a 10-cent fake victory that makes you hide from your family when you can achieve a real victory that makes them proud? Next time someone forces you to take a puff, realize this. They aren't your friends. They are recruiters for a guilt club. Real friends would tell you, "I'm trapped. Please don't join me." If they push you, it's a red flag. Stand your ground. Your life is worth more than a cloud of smoke. This isn't just a video, it's a mirror. If you've ever felt that social guilt or the pressure to look cool, you aren't alone. I read every single comment myself. Tell me, who was the person who first pushed that cigarette into your hand? Was it a friend or a boss you couldn't say no to? Like and subscribe if this video spoke to you, and share it with that one friend who needs to hear this truth. Let's break this fake cycle together. Stay happy, stay blessed.